Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting right inside Spotify. Sign in and pick the desktop app or web player because they give the most control. Once done, navigate to Home and the recently played row. You'll need that view to remove items from history. At the same time, open Settings on mobile to clear search entries later. You're not deleting the account. You're targeting the place's Spotify records activity, so proceed step by step and keep private session in mind for next uses. Now remove entries. On desktop or web, hover a recently played item. Click the three dots and choose Remove from Recently Played. Repeat for each entry you want gone. On mobile, open Search, tap the search field, then clear search history to remove typed queries. Also enable private session from your profile or settings to prevent new entries from being recorded. This is how you stop further history accumulation without changing accounts. Finish by signing out and restarting the app so Spotify refreshes its lists. That ensures removed items no longer show. If items reappear, clear the app cache in settings or uninstall and reinstall Spotify to force a fresh sync. Make sure no other device is simultaneously playing through your account. If problems persist, check connected apps and sessions in account settings or contact Spotify support. That resolves sync or server-side history restoration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.